Alright guys, the motor just got here. Let's open it. So first we have QS120. Oh, the sprockets, okay. And my receipt. Alright guys, this is a QS. It's a QS120. It's gonna go right in the YZ. So you. Alright guys, the controller is here. So let's unbox it. Kind of hard doing this one-handed. So you. Oh dang. My receipt. Okay. Oh wait, right. This is my Bluetooth connector, Bluetooth dongle. And this is my wiring harness, screws and bolts, and the controller. Jeez. Whoa. Second. Oh, there it goes. So my 3-phase wires, and then my negative and positive. Heat sink, controller, wiring harness plug, and then Bluetooth dongle. This controller is nice. And this is going on the YZ85. And in the last clip, you guys saw me getting the motor in. This is a far driver controller. And yeah. It came in really nice packaging, really nice box. But yeah, so next clip you guys will see is me putting it on. So as you guys have seen, I got the QS motor right here, and then the far driver right here, which I'll show you guys. Take this out. So the far driver right there, and in this video I'm going to wire it all up to the bike, make sure everything works good, and let's do it. So today I'm going to be stripping this bike down because I'm taking it to the shop tomorrow and get the motor welded. But so I don't know if I showed you guys. So this far driver, I completely tuned it. It's a 72-300. I completely tuned it. I wired it all up. Thank you to Econic Cycles. He helped out a lot. Econic Cycles is so he helped me do the voltmeter and wire some stuff up, and then the amps in my battery helped me with. So now I tuned it to my likings. I did the auto learn and everything. So now we're gonna go up. Okay, so key on. 78 volts. You guys heard the ee. That's it turning on. Ready? I'm holding the motor since it's not plugged in, or since it's not installed. I have to hold the motor. But ready? So mode 1, not too much. Mode 2, ready? Mode 3. So it's only shaky. It's only like vibrate like that because it's on the box right now. It's on the bike. So yeah, the controller's auto learn programmed and everything. I did it myself. But so I'm gonna start stripping the whole entire bike. I gotta take the controller out, both controllers, the bottom motor, the battery out, front fender, front number plate. So I'm pretty much stripping the bike again. So I gotta get to that, and yeah. So, and then we're gonna bring it to the shop tomorrow to get welded. And we're bringing it to a Wilmington Metal Crafts. I showed him out in the other video. But yeah, let's go.